Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can make your lock screen match the real weather? With this feature, your wallpaper can show dynamic weather effect like rain, cloud, or sunshine based on current condition. Let me show you how to set it up. First, long press on an empty area on the home screen. Then tap wallpaper and style. Next, tap the lock screen thumbnail so the wallpaper will be applied to the lock screen only. Tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. Under the Create with AI section, tap Weather Thumbnail. Now select a photo. For best result, use a photo taken outdoors during the day. In the preview screen, you will see the weather effect applied to your wallpaper. If you want to edit the wallpaper, such as moving or zooming in, you will need to turn off the weather effect first by tapping the weather icon at the bottom. Once you are done, tap Done to set it as your lock screen wallpaper. And that's how you make your lock screen match real weather on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.